can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana is down 15% over the last 1 week. Solana is down 4.2% over the last 1 month. The altcoin market took a heavy beating. WG losses across the board in the altcoin market for the last 7 days. In this video, we'll look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Is there still hope for Solana to pump to new all-time highs? We've seen Solana get to as high as $295. We recently saw Solana pumping to as high as $224 before we got stopped out. Can Solana still rally to new all-time highs? We'll look at news going around Solana ecosystem, Bitcoin dominance. How will that affect the price of Solana? Solana's valuation against Ethereum. We'll also look at altcoin season, sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. Then we'll finally look at Solana's market cap. Where is Solana heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is altcoin season still happening? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market saw huge dumps over the last 7 days, big liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. We had more than $2 billion worth of liquidations in a 72-hour period. A lot of bulls got wrecked, a lot of market participants got wrecked. Expecting the market to pump to the moon, the market stayed dumping to goblin town. And Solana was one of those altcoins that got market participants excited. We saw Solana rallying aggressively. Solana was slipping, but we saw Solana pump from as low as $97 in April of 2025. We've seen Solana rally to as high as $249, a 162% pump to the upside. Everything was looking good, everything was looking dandy. We're getting ready to get to new all-time highs from where Solana was trading before the dump started. Solana was just less than 20% from a new all-time high, so you can forgive market participants for thinking this time is different. Plus, the altcoin season indexes were in altcoin season. But guys, if you pay attention to the charts, you pay attention to the major resistance level, you will never get carried away. You're playing a game right here against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible. The game is to sell as high as possible. You want to buy when there is fear in the market. You want to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And we saw a little greed when Solana went to that $240 level. So a little greed. But guys, if you zoom out and you ask yourself, what has Solana been doing over the last 2 years? Solana was the talk of the town. We saw it rallying from $8 to as high as $200. But since when we go to that $200 level, Solana's momentum just died off. Yes, we have still gotten to new all-time highs, but you can see that Solana, basically from the $205 level where it got to in March of 2024, Solana has only been able to increase by 40% since then. After that, we've not been able to rally about 40%. Above 40%, Solana has gone from $202 to as high as $290. And the downside, Solana has also dumped by about 52%, going from as high as $202, dumping to as low as $117. But in the last 560 days, Solana has been in a range, and I strongly believe this huge distribution. You can see the volume here. There's an increase in volume since when Solana got into that range. Smart players that bought Solana when it was launched, that bought Solana deep in the bear market, are right now flipping those Solanas for some huge profit at high prices. If you're one of the smart players that bought your Solana below the $10 level, at $200, guys, you're already up 1,700%. So the market gave you more than 560 days to slowly exit your Solana position. Even if you had a $10 billion position in Solana, you could easily exited it over the last 560 days. But I strongly believe, guys, the party is not over. I'm one of those market participants that believe in the one last pump. I believe there's always one pump when market participants think the cycle is over. I believe we're going to see meme coins pumping. We're going to see crazy activities, irrational behaviors has always marked cycle top. Right now, we're seeing some early signs of those irrational behaviors, but I believe there's still one more room for us to run to the upside. We saw similar price action in Solana in November of 2024. Solana got to as high as $259, and then it had a pullback. That pullback saw Solana going from as high as $264. We saw Solana dumping to as low as as $176. Before we went for that final pump now took Solana to all-time highs. It took 28 days, but Solana rallied over by 66% in that 28 days. Now, if Solana to get to new all-time highs right now, we don't even need a 66% pump. We just need Solana to give us around a 60% pump, and we'll see Solana trading at the $300 level. Solana currently trades at $202 with a fully diluted market cap of $123 billion. Solana's market cap sits at $110 billion. The previous all-time high happened on the 19th of January 2025. Solana traded for as high as $294. Right now, it's down 31% from its all-time highs. If you want to get some SOL for yourself, you can get some Solana at Binance, at Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbeat, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana right there. Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized application creation. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake consensus of the blockchain. If you look at news stories going around Solana ecosystem, Solana dips below $200, but ETF verdict could trigger institutional monies and new institutional moments and new highs. Solana price fell below $192 on Thursday, but the upcoming ETF decision may kickstart institutional investors' demand and reset Solana price momentum. Solana's ETF is going to be launched on October 10th and October 13th. We're going to be seeing a bunch of Solana ETFs getting approved. Hopefully, that will push the price over the edge. That will push the price to the all-time highs. That will push Solana price to over $300, where market participants, I'm sure, will be selling for some sweet profit. Some people believe Solana will go higher than that. I've had talks of Solana going to $1,000, $800, $2,000. Remember, guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. I believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Bitcoin dominance dumping has always been a good sign for the altcoin market. Bitcoin dominance dumping has begun since the 26th of June 2025. And over the next few days and the next few weeks, guys, I will expect that Bitcoin dominance dump to accelerate. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, we've seen Solana set new all-time highs against Ethereum, but that was on 14th of April 2025. Since then, I've seen a decline for Solana's valuation against Ethereum. I'll still be expecting Ethereum to outperform Solana in the final phases of this market cycle. I will not be shocked to see Solana start his own dump to gobbling town pretty early. But one thing is sure, guys, we're very close to the end of the bull market. Solana's valuation against Ethereum rallied quickly, and since December of 2023, it has, just like the US dollar valuation, it has been going sideways. We have rallied up 50% plus, but we've also just done by 22%. At some point in time, we'll break out of this range and chaos and pandemonium will ensue. But before then, we'll see altcoin season. Before then, we're going to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an alt season. And right now, Bitcoin is just up 2.2% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. I won't be shocked. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we see more altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. SOL is up 34% over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is just up 2.2%. When we get alt season, you're going to hear outrageous price predictions. When we get alt season, market participants will start behaving irrational, and the fear you see in the cryptocurrency market right now will disappear. We're going to see extreme grade return back to the market as we all sing kumbaya, thinking we're going to the moon. If you look at Solana's market cap, it's near all-time highs. We've seen Solana's market cap get to as high as $110 billion. The 2021 all-time high saw Solana's market cap topping at $77 billion. Right now, Solana's market cap sits at $110 billion. We've seen the market cap even get to as high as $142 billion. When it comes in the coming weeks, expect that blow up top to come in. Expect to see market participants start behaving irrational. The final phase of the market cycle is the most irrational, is the most emotional, and most coins, that's where most of the gains are made. Could easily see Solana popping up by 50% in 7 days, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. But that will mean Solana's market cap could easily get to as high as $150 billion. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Solana right now? Are you getting ready for the exit pump? Are you getting ready for altcoin season? How high will you be selling your Solana bags? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.